Earlier this week we found things around our house to make a texture rubbing, but today we're going to design our own texture plate to do a rubbing with. So we're going to need a piece of cardboard and some Elmer's glue and a pencil. So I wrote and drew what I wanted for my texture plate. So I wrote Mrs. Phelan and I'm drawing a little swirly sun and some waves. And then I'm just going over all those lines with my Elmer's glue bottle. And the great thing is you can wipe it away if you need to, like I messed up that E a little bit, I just wipe it right off. And then you can go back over it and perfect your drawing. So you're going to have to, of course, wait for this to dry before you can do the texture plate. But we're going to draw a lot of interesting things, so it'll look really cool when we do our rubbing of it later. And for the piece of cardboard, you can use a cereal box, any piece of cardboard you have lying around will work. Then I'm taking the edge of my crayon, once my plate has dried, of course, put it under my piece of paper and take the edge of that crayon and you're rubbing all over the plate. Make sure you get every corner. And then I'm doing multiple colors on top of each other. And like we did earlier in the week, you can try this with chalk, or you can use a crayon or a pencil. Any art material you have around will work. Well, not a marker, but besides that, crayons really work the best. It's kind of fun because you can layer different colors. I'm adding some yellow to the sun, and then, ooh, the purple really makes the plate stand out. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Have fun.